Like, to me, the sound reminds me of the Eagles, actually.
All right, we're back with some more Dire Straits. We're checking out the song Sultans of Swing. Let's get into it.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town.
I knew they were from somewhere else.
I
was like, what? Because they just have it. He has an accent. He just has like on the ends of his sentences, there's like a little differentness, you know? It doesn't sound quite like American. And then he said, London town. That's where they're from.
Way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If any old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans. We're the Sultans of Swing.
How do you like the sound?
I love it. They have Dire Straits has such a good, it's like chill, but it's like unique and eccentric, and like it's just enough to like keep your attention without being like, you know what I mean? It's like chill, but it like grabs your attention. I don't know. They have a really good sound.
The music is kind of distracting to me.
What do you mean?
It's just distracting. I'm having trouble focusing.
Like, cause why?
Just watching the video.
Oh.
We've just been doing so many lyric videos lately that now that I definitely have a preference. Like before, sometimes I want to see music videos, sometimes I didn't. But now it's like, oh man, I like lyric videos.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot more information to take in that's not really relevant to the song.
True.
You know what I mean?
That's true.
the Sultans. We are the Sultans of Swing.
I wonder if they're still playing. Like, it's Dire Straits. Are they like, you know, just like the Eagles? Where it's like they were when they were young. Like, to me, the sound reminds me of the Eagles, actually. At least the one, Hotel California, the one song we've heard.
Okay, I can kind of see, like, not the vocals, but the instrumentation.
Yeah. And like the vibe.
I can see it.
But yeah, I wonder if they still do concerts and if they're still like, you know what I mean?
And that music will mellow you out.
Mellow.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't know.